a great fighter isn't necessarily a great broadcaster. It just doesn't work that way. So.
Yeah, some guys are just naturally good at it, though. Like,
there are two things three things that we have to do. Is number one is to educate people, because a lot of people just. It's weird because most Americans didn't grow up wrestling. They didn't. She has a background in that. So, we have to explain a lot. Number two is we got to communicate enthusiasm. We're happy to be here. How great this thing is. You should want to be here too. That's number two. And number three is the story. Every fight has a story, and even if we don't tell the story, unprepared that night, was Mike Tyson not as good as we thought he was?
We were literally just talking about that in
the
last podcast about how Buster Douglas's mom died.
Yeah.
Before the fight, and he was just motivated like he'd never been motivated before, got himself in really good shape, and had a mission.
Right. Galvanized him like crazy. The death of his mother.
Yeah.
But it's our job to
right,
and the play-by-play
makes it more exciting
to say. What
you got to understand danger. You got to understand when someone's doing the right thing, and then the percentages of them getting subbed drop substantially with each move. You got to be there.
Good morning, my peoples. Welcome to the first vlog of 2018. So we're actually supposed to get a snowstorm today. The thing about my job is being that we drive heavy duty trucks, they expect us to go out. So we're gonna go out. This is the first official snowstorm of 2018. I haven't watched the news to see how bad it is, or if it's gotten worse or not. I'm not too sure, but I took a brief look out the window, and it does look like there is snow on the floor already. So we're gonna try not to do donuts today after work. We're gonna try not to, and and if we do, by the way, it's literally 4 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, I'm up pretty early. I'm actually I usually have to be on the road by 4 o'clock, but today I have to do Tribeca and Astoria, which I'm not looking forward to, because Tribeca's my first stop, and that's gonna consist of me hopping out the truck in the cold and unloading these pallets. So, but anyways, thanks for tuning in. Welcome aboard to all the new subscribers. I really appreciate it. Stay tuned for a lot of good content, especially when the car season is up and running again. I'm going to be out there grinding. You best believe I'm going to be out there and trying to get the best content I can for you guys. This is what the channel is about, making memories and, just show love, you know what I mean? So anyways, I don't know what the hell I'm saying. It's just too early in the morning right now. Saddle up, partners. As you guys can see, it has definitely snowed a substantial amount. The roads have not been plowed, but it's nothing that the evil can't get through right now. So this is not the first time that my job had us go out working in a snowstorm, and then when they saw how long it took us to get back just from one stop, they decided to send us home. So I wouldn't mind going home a little bit early if that's the case, but knowing my job, they'll probably still have us running. So we'll see what happens. Trying to get to the warehouse at a decent time, and so we can get this day started. But if you guys are on the East Coast, please be safe, drive safe, and stay inside if you have to, because these roads is horrible. Thankfully, the Evo handles it really well. So either way, we got to knock this day out. Just got to the job. I was totally going to do donuts, but I'm running a couple minutes late, so we got to get going. As you can see, this is a whole empty parking lot. And yeah. Trust me, I was tempted, very tempted to do donuts, but I gotta try to get through this winter season without breaking my Evo. That's for sure. So, oh man, I'm getting too old for this, guys. I really am. Big changes coming this year, though. Soon come. Stay tuned.
Friday. Wind chill warning in effect from 1 a.m. Friday to 7 a.m. Sunday. What? Heavy snow and blowing snow occurring. Dangerously cold wind chills expected. Plan on difficult travel conditions. Commute.
Currently listening to the weather radio, which sounds super creepy, but apparently it's supposed to be snowing all the way till tomorrow. So I'm not too sure exactly on accumulation, but this really blows. I don't know if you guys know, but to those that know me personally, you guys know that I used to live in Florida for about 4 years and absolutely loved Florida. And you know, sometimes it would dip in temperature out there, but it's never like this here in New York, you know. So I definitely miss Florida. I ended up having to move back because my son's mother wanted to move back at the time, and I've been here ever since. But I'm waiting for my son to get a lot older so that I can move back, because I'm just tired of this cold, and tired of this weather, tired of the snow, tired of driving in the snow. Actually, as far as working in it, I am tired of the snow, but now that I got the Evo, it makes things a lot much easier, you know. But it's still an inconvenience, you know. And I mean, I was born and raised here on Long Island, and I've been dealing and messing with the snow for like the longest, and it's annoying, you know. So, but anyways, I'm about to go get some coffee real quick, and we're gonna hit the road. Hopefully we get to our destination safe. We gotta head into Manhattan and then to Queens and back to the island to start the rest of the routes, and hopefully be done with no problems. I haven't done work. I haven't took you guys to work in a while. It's been, I think, one of my first vlogs was me taking you guys to work last year. But yeah, I'm about to blast some music real quick, which you guys can't listen to, unfortunately, because I'll get copyrighted. But hope everybody stays nice and warm out there today, especially on the East Coast, because it's brutal out here. It's been cold for like the past 2 weeks, like really cold. I'm talking about in the teens, 10, 12, 13 degrees. It's crazy. So at this point, I'm hoping we fast forward to springtime. Alright, so we just made it to Manhattan, and my goal is to be in and out because there's not that much snow on the road out here, which is a great thing. That means it'll be easier for me to unload. I have an electric jack in my truck, and if the floor is like extremely wet or there's a lot of snow, I'm pretty much screwed. So yeah, unfortunately today I had to get the shitty runs. Everybody else has runs where there's a loading dock and then they get unloaded. But it's just this one stop today that I gotta unload myself. But it's all good. We just gotta make the best of it, you know. I also noticed a lot of people on social media, saying, oh, how this year already started bad for them. Can't be like that, man. One thing you have to realize is you're gonna have bad days no matter what. No matter how much you try to avoid them, they're gonna be there. But the good thing about bad days is they help you appreciate the good days, you know? And also, most of the bad stuff that we go through, for better or worse, it helps us grow as a person. Wow, this guy's an asshole. I almost hit somebody just now. I'm trying not to curse on these vlogs because I get demonetized a lot, but this guy almost just pulled in front of the truck, and this is why I don't like driving out here in Manhattan, because the people that drive out here in Manhattan don't know how to drive. Most of the people that drive out here in Manhattan are coming from New Jersey, or they're coming from some other spots, from Long Island, Connecticut. They just don't know how to drive out here. Majority of residents from Manhattan, they don't even have cars, they just walk. So that's my form of transportation when I come out here is Uber, taxi, and just walking. I would not recommend anybody to drive out here, period. It's the worst, especially with the truck like mine's. But anyways, let's knock this stop out, get it over with, so we can get out of here safely. Alright, just made it to our first stop. Besides not liking this stop right now because of the weather, let me at least show you the view. This view is awesome. It's extremely windy outside. I came prepared though, so. Alright, we are all done. Let me adjust my camera here. That was brutal. Looks like the snow is actually starting to accumulate. So I just need the manager to sign his paperwork and I am out of here. I don't like to I really don't want to bring political stuff to my channel, but I want to add how childish North Korean and our president are. Like, these guys are willing to blow up each other's country all because of words.
I've been there since December 20th.
Oh my God, thank you. All right. So, let me just turn this a bit. There we go. The bookkeeper from the store, she just brought me the mail. Alright, so we finally just made it to Astoria. The roads are starting to get a lot worse. Snow is definitely accumulating. The good thing is there's not much people on the road, which is great. And the people that are on the road are obviously driving a lot slower than usual. So I want to keep you guys in the loop. One thing I started, I would say last year, the end of November or early December, I started my prep meals. So basically what I do is I eat every 3 to 4 hours I eat a meal, and it's 4 meals a day, 1,600 calories total. So right now, and I use a company that's based here in Long Island called Healthy Meals Direct. Amazing food, and you'd be surprised, just 1,600 calories, you'd be surprised how much you're under eating, which is crazy because I feel like I'm eating so much, but in reality I'm not. They're real big on portion control, so and healthy carbs. You have to have healthy carbs. That's where a lot of people go wrong when they try to lose weight, is everyone starts eating a lot less, no carbs, so you're depleting your glycogen level. It's definitely the wrong way of going, for sure. So I got this strawberry walnut muffin. The macros are awesome. It's 372 calories, 27 grams of protein, 54 grams of carbs. It's really high in carbs, but this is what you need for the breakfast, you know. And 4 grams of fat and 9 grams of fiber. So it's pretty good stuff. I'll be showing you all the meals I eat today, since y'all rocking with me today. And I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. You know, it's a crappy day outside. It's the beginning of the year though, so let's make the best of it. Let's knock this day out. Let's get the hell out of here, because you know, I from what I'm hearing on the news, it's supposed to get a lot worse. So I would like to be home, relaxing, playing some video games, you know, just chilling, you know. So, but yeah, let's go up in here in the store and get this over with. It's definitely blizzard-like conditions so far. Got to grab their paperwork real fast. There we go. I gotta say, protein muffins are mad weird. Yo, Scotty! What's your take on this winter storm, our first winter storm of the year?
This is the Joker, folks. In this weather, don't drink and drive. Or if you do, drive somebody else.
You gotta do it loudly. For those that have been watching my vlog since day one, you guys would know that that's Hood Carry. He's a cool dude. But yeah, it's starting to look bad out, as you guys can see. Straight blizzard status, and it's supposed to get pretty heavy today with snow. Good news though, management called me and they told me that we're gonna only focus on stores that are close by, which is great because honestly, nobody shouldn't be out on the road right now. It's extremely dangerous, and I don't like the fact that I'm out on the road, but you know, we gotta get this done. You know, we got stops to do, and there's no way around it. You know, we just gotta knock it out. Come on, man. What are you waiting for, dude? Jeez, man. I'm trying my hardest to not curse, because I notice that every time I use explicit language, YouTube demonetizes my video. Like, shut the front door. No, I'm just messing with you. Suck my toe, you mother lover. Ah, man. All right, so let's head back to the warehouse. I'm gonna give you the time lapse of how everything is looking right now. It is looking crazy out here, though. I'll tell you that much. But I'll holler at y'all later. Waiting until I can reach a safe spot to pull over and clean off these windshield wipers, because as you can see, they're all built up with ice and they're not even cleaning my windshield. Super dangerous right now, super dangerous. This is why I absolutely do not like driving in this type of weather, but being that we have heavy duty trucks, our job makes us go out. But I don't think they realize how dangerous it is, you know. I mean, if anything, this is a huge liability to the company, having us drivers driving this type of weather. But it is what it is. We got to get home safe, and we got to finish this day safe. I'm almost coming up to a spot where I can pull over and clean off these wiper blades, because these wiper blades are not cleaning. They're not doing its justice right now. It's just straight up ice. And as you guys can see, the weather just got it just got that much worse. So hopefully we make it home safe. All right, so I got some great news. As you guys can see, visibility is definitely, it's close to zero. I can't really see much ahead of me. I'm over here in the fast lane only because the people that were in the middle lane, they were moving extremely slow, but I can't even see anything at this point. So I'm just hoping I don't hit anything, and I'm hoping nobody doesn't hit me. It's pretty bad. On a good note, my boss actually just gave me a call, and he's calling it. He told me that this is going to be our last run, thankfully, because there's no way that we can drive like this. I mean, I am literally doing probably like 10 miles per hour, and looks like we're coming to somewhat of a stop. I'm not too sure. Everyone is all over the road. It's just really crazy. So yeah, at this point, I just want to get back to the warehouse safely and go home. So welcome to the first snowstorm of 2018 and my first vlog of 2018. I try not to make so many vlogs at work because honestly it becomes real repetitive, and I don't know if you guys noticed, but I always try to put different content out, and sometimes I just put whatever, you know. So but today I wanted to bring you guys out, you know, just to start a new vlog for the year and say what up to y'all. You know, touch base. Hope everybody's doing good. I noticed I have quite a few more subscribers now, so I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for following me. And you know, just know that if y'all show love, I show love right back. And if you guys got a YouTube channel that you want me to check out, let me know. I'll subscribe to you. Not a problem. You know, I'm not afraid to hit that subscribe button, you know. And so make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if this is your first time watching this channel. Looks like my wiper blades they got ice on them again, so visibility, it's worse. I can't even see anything. So yeah, there's just like a huge fog up front. Alright guys, well, I'm gonna focus on getting home safe, and I hit you guys. I'm gonna focus on getting home safe, and I see you guys back as soon as I get back to the warehouse. Peace. We made it back home safe. Definitely a long ride. You can see how everything's looking right now. Go the Evils over there. Goes Nunu, and that's my guy Carlos's Evo right there. Totally forgot. I'm on those prep meals, and I gotta eat every 3 to 4 hours. So I'm about to eat my meal real fast before I hit the road, and I'm gonna show you what my second meal is. That's my next meal right here. 20 baked drumsticks, sweet mashed. Pretty good. Only has 438 calories. Well, I'm all done eating meal number 2, and I gotta be honest with you, I kind of regret going to work today. I mean, just to get home is gonna be... Look at this. It looks crazy. All I could do is just try to get home safe, so... Hopefully I get home safe and sound, because that's what I'm looking forward to doing. But yeah, first snowstorm of 2018. Woke up after a nap not too long ago. That was a horrible commute. Next time I know that there's going to be a snowstorm like that, I'm just going to take off, because I literally do this every year. I always get stuck in a snowstorm because of work. I don't think it's even worth it. I would say almost 95% of the whole trip from Queens all the way back to Long Island, it was like zero visibility. So I'm just grateful and thankful that I'm home, safe and sound. But anyway, next meal up. Put some garlic up in there. And this is, let's see here. This is meat sauce over whole wheat penne. Only has 378 calories, 41 grams of protein. It's good stuff. It goes to show you that eating healthy doesn't always have to be disgusting. And last but not least, I got me some zesty barbecue meatballs and sweet potato fry bowl. You'd be surprised how much you actually undereat when you start eating these meals. And the crazy part about it is this is only 1,600 calories. It's crazy. It's all about portion control. All right, peeps, that about wraps up my vlog. I really appreciate you guys rocking with me today. It was definitely a long vlog, but at least you get to see a day in the life of me at work. And, you know, usually I try to put fun content and stuff like that. But, yeah, that's work right there. And that's exactly why I don't post so much of me working. Because, like I mentioned before earlier in this vlog, it's repetitive, you know, and... quite frankly, I'm the type of person, I'm a person of variety, you know, and randomness, spontaneous. So if I'm going to watch a vlog, I want to see different things. You know, I don't want to see the same thing over and over and over, you know, like a lot of YouTubers do, which is a great reason for you to even watch my vlogs, because I'm going to always post different things. But anyways, thank you guys for rocking with me so much today. I really appreciate it. You guys kept me company, you know. I thought about that while I was driving. And, you know, once again, like I always say, it takes a lot of energy to hate, and it's free to show love. Thank you so much. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. Holla at you later.